Hello. I've just been looking at my new DVD player for my computer. It's replaced the old one, which is USB 2. This is USB 3, so it's a lot quicker, surprisingly, even for DVDs. But better than that, it only needs one socket, a USB A or a USB C, rather than having to have two in a Y formation like my old one. Even neater is that the cables store into the back of the device, so there's no trading cables to break off or get lost, and it makes it a lot neater when it's in my briefcase. Anyway, if you're a regular, then it's great to see you again. Welcome back. Hope you're going to enjoy it. If you're a new person, then it's really good to meet new people all the time. Have a look around my channel, see what the videos are. Please, if you find them useful, like them to share the joy with other people, and subscribe to the channel. Anyway, today we'll be looking at using the snipping tool to capture parts of your screen to send to other people or just record for yourself. So let's get started. A lot of us are familiar with the print screen key on a keyboard. This means you can take a copy of the whole screen. But sometimes we want to take a copy of just a part of it, for example an error message or a photo detail, so that somebody at the other end can see it in more detail. We start by opening the start menu like this, or pressing Windows, Shift and S. Now we can take a photograph or a video, we take a whole screen, a window, a rectangle or a freeform, as we can see here. Let's take a picture of a rectangle. So we click New, take an area, and let's take a part of the screen. Doesn't look very helpful, but it was just to illustrate the principle of how we use it. Let's try something else. Let's say I want to take a copy of something from a command prompt that I've already picked up. Let's enlarge it, get it into the right area so we can see it on the screen. Select the fact we're going to take a rectangle, click New, screen darkens, press the mouse key, keep it pressed down, release the mouse key, it takes a snap just like that. Okay, let's look at some other snipping modes. There's a window, do that, take a picture, down we go. We can take more of a selection of the screen as a whole. There we go like that. What I find most interesting is Freeform, which lets you basically draw wherever you want, like this, and anything with that area will be taken. Just handy if you've got a complicated area that you need to snip. Okay, let's minimise that. Bring it back up again. Now we're going to look at what happens if we're trying to take something more complicated like drop-down menus, things like this. So we're going to get the drop-down menu out, like this, and then we're going to take a snap by pressing New. But immediately the drop-down menus disappear, which isn't quite so helpful. So we're going to use the timer. Click here, select the various delay, let's select 5 seconds. We then click New. Then we've got 5 seconds to set the screen up as we want. So we'll get those open again. Just wait for it to come along. There we go. And we can take a picture of the drop down menus. There it goes into the clipboard. Okay, now let's have a look at how we can annotate and mark up the screen. So let's make a start by the ballpoint pen, take a colour. This means we can highlight an area of the clip so we can draw attention to it as somebody else. In the same way, we can use the highlighter to go into detail. It's very useful for bringing attention to particular parts of your clip. Very good if you're doing an instruction manual or trying to point out a problem to somebody. Okay, just click copy and there it is. We can also take videos, which is really quite handy for demonstrating something with people. Let's have a look at this. We'll click video. Back to photo. Select the area that we want. Click on start. You get a few seconds countdown. Then you can demonstrate what you're trying to demonstrate. Let's look at wizards this time. So down to wizards, letter. Remember we're videoing this so it's capturing it in real time. You can also take a microphone if you want. Drag what we're interested in into the part of the window that we're looking at. There we go. So we can demonstrate what's happening. So we'll cancel out because we don't actually want to generate that, and then we'll stop the video. And here it is in sort of the video clipboard, and we're rerunning it, so you can see it's actually going to replay as we want. Here we go. So you see it's reproducing what we did earlier with a very authentic record. That's us bringing it back in again as we did, but it's not us doing it, it's the video. We can cancel that because we don't want it. And it records to video screen recordings. So that's how to use the snipping tool to capture parts of your screen, either as stills or as video. So that's how to use the snipping tool to capture parts of your screen, either as stills or as video. I found it really useful for instruction manuals, demonstrating things on videos and whatever, so I hope you found it useful. If you have, then please like it, please share it with other people, and please subscribe to the channel so you can find out when we're going to send you more things. Next time, I think we're going to be looking at a password manager so you can keep all your passwords secure and make it really helpful for you. So, see you next time. Bye.